Hi everyone, welcome new session. So today we are doing the how to create a new presentation with the ChatGPT. So we have here the option create presentation. So we have four options here: create from topic, create from text, create from YouTube, or create from file. So let's suppose I want to create from my YouTube. So I'm going in my YouTube and I'm searching some topic. Let's suppose I want to create let it I'm searching the generative AI. Okay, so what is a generative AI and how the generative AIs work? So I'm taking the Google example of introduction of generative AI. So I want to create a presentation from this. Suppose I'm taking the example of what is a generative AI model from the here. So just I'm copying this link here and going back to ChatGPT and create from YouTube and then pasting here and continue. So now it will take a few seconds to your video to convert into the presentation. So they will be converted. And now you can see here, this is a presentation. So it's related to the 7 slides is here. Foundation model, generative AI, transfer, advantage of foundation and everything. So now I need to press continue and which background you want. So let's suppose I'm selecting this midnight one and or you can select any template. Let's suppose I'm selecting this black one, the climate, and then I press the continue. Now generating a content and inserting text and inserting images. So it will be take a few seconds to add everything in to ready your presentation. So you have to watch on. This is how we can create a presentation using the ChatGPT.